Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm whipping up a quick, delicious keto breakfast that's sure to kickstart your day with energy and flavor. We're diving into keto avocado bacon and egg cups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more yummy recipes. Let's jump into the kitchen. So here's what you'll need for our keto-friendly feast. 2 ripe avocados, 4 slices of bacon, 4 large eggs, salt and pepper, just to taste. And some chopped chives for a pop of color and flavor, though that's totally optional. First up, let's prep. Crank your oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Go ahead and have those avocados and yank out the pits. Scoop out just a bit more to make room for the eggs. Alright, time for the bacon. Toss those slices in a skillet, medium heat, until they're nice and crispy. Once done, let them rest on a paper towel. Gotta soak up that excess fat. Once they're cool, crumble the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Now let's assemble. Place those avocado halves on a baking sheet. Give each one a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Crack an egg right into each avocado half. If it looks like it's overflowing, just pour out a bit of the egg white. Now sprinkle on that crispy bacon. Into the oven they go. Bake for about 12-15 minutes, or until the egg whites settle but the yolks are still dreamily runny. Love your yolks cooked through? Just give it a few more minutes. The finale, garnishing. Once out of the oven, let them cool off for just a minute. Shower some chopped chives on top for that extra zing. And voila, your keto avocado bacon and egg cups are ready to delight. And that's a wrap on today's keto breakfast adventure. These avocado cups aren't just scrumptious, they're packed with healthy fats and protein to fuel your day. Enjoyed this recipe? Smash that thumbs up and drop a comment below. Don't forget, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on our tasty creations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking. Engaging and casual tone with a focus on encouraging viewer interaction and recipe success. Remember, the key to a great keto breakfast is fresh ingredients and a bit of creativity. These cups are perfect for a quick breakfast or even a brunch with friends. The combination of creamy avocado, crispy bacon, and runny egg is just divine. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you. And don't worry, cleanup is a breeze with this simple recipe. Stay tuned for more keto-friendly recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy. Engaging and casual tone with a focus on encouraging viewer interaction and recipe success.